Imagine this, a chilled mango pudding, so smooth it melts on your tongue. It's creamy and silky, like custard, but lighter. Sweet, ripe mangoes give it that golden glow. And the flavor? Fresh, fruity, and just the right amount of sweet. Like sunshine in every spoonful. No gelatin, no agar. Just a few simple ingredients and a whole lot of flavor. But here's the twist. It sets like a dream without any fancy ingredients. Curious how that's even possible? Stick around. I'm showing you exactly how to make this summer perfect dessert step by step. Now let's make our custard mix. In a small bowl, whisk together 2 tablespoons of custard powder with a little cold milk. Cold is key. It keeps the custard lump-free. Give it a good stir and set it aside. First up, grab a couple of ripe mangoes. Peel, chop, and toss them into a blender. No water needed. You want that thick, rich puree. In a saucepan, pour in your mango puree. Add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, or use regular sugar if that's what you have. Keep the heat on low and stir gently until the sugar blends in. Now stir in 2 teaspoons of butter. This adds that glossy, silky finish. Next, add 2 cups of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. That combo gives the pudding its creamy texture and subtle sweetness. Keep stirring. Once it starts to gently bubble, you're ready for the next step. Slowly pour in the custard mix while stirring constantly. This is what brings the pudding to life. Smooth, rich, and just the right amount of thick. Let it cook for a couple of minutes, stirring non-stop. Once it coats the back of your spoon, you're good to go. Turn off the heat and sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of cardamom powder. That warm, sweet aroma. That's the secret to making it unforgettable. Lightly grease your pudding dish with butter. It helps with the release later. Pour in the warm mango mixture. Level it out, and let it cool at room temperature for a bit. Garnish with crushed pistachios and fresh mango chunks for that picture-perfect finish. Then pop it in the fridge or freezer for about 8 to 9 hours to set completely. Once it's set, just look at that golden glow, smooth, creamy, and chilled to perfection. One bite and it melts in your mouth, tropical, sweet, and totally addictive. It's the kind of dessert that looks like sunshine and tastes like vacation. Now tell me, if you had to serve this mango pudding at your next football party, who would you trust not to eat it before kickoff? Drop their name in the comments, And don't forget to subscribe E and T Recipes for more sweet, sneaky good recipes like this.